Sanibona bafethu, I'm sure seniyibonile le indaba lezi about uPaseka Marco noThabiso Monyane. Orlando Pirates announcele namhlanje ukuthi babadedelile abafethu bobawu2 indlela yabo engathi ngabakhanyela la bezoya khona yabo kulama team bazowajoina baze bahambe kahle but ke nginombuzo la maybe mhlamba abanye bazongizwa kabi maybe abanye bazozama ungilalela kahle Paseka Marco bafethu kule position ayidlalayo ku left back kwa left back abekho abadlali abaningi abadlali ya position right now. Dion Hoto, it's highly unlikely to Dion Hoto uzohlala kweOrlando Pirates yabo. We might see another statement state out to Dion Hoto seshilo kweOrlando Pirates yabo. So lapha right now kukhona uMadiba ulumfana lomncane so ku DDC, so you cannot say ukuthi sina equality. We haven't signed any player odlala ya position, so we are letting go of Paseka Marco and we might let go of Dion Hoto. Why are we doing that? I mean, I know Paseka Marco is injury prone, but the player is playing for Orlando Pirates and it's not like akwazi ukudlala umjito yakwazi ukudlala yabo. He is a quality player, uyakwazi ukudlalela umdinga ngempela yabo. So understand ngempela komunye umbuzo la, why are we letting go of Thabiso Monyane, another player who injury pro? He has been playing for Orlando Pirates since the DDC days yabo. He has been that player yabo odlala ngempela kuyikona ukuthi umjita akaze ayireach iprime yakhe, but umjita bese yabo besikhalela kuyena umjita afika perform kahle adlalele kamnandi yabo. Yonke into bungayithola ku Thabiso Monyane ngempela. Angazi ukuthi yindaba sidedela uThabiso kukhona uShando. Not saying uShando akwazi ukudlala, ningangizwa kabi. I'm not saying uShando akwazi ukudlala yabo. I'm not crying for my favorite players here, but come on, I know ukhona Van Rooyen. Now Van Rooyen boyayishela ama injury akhe ayistidid, but why are we letting go of uThabiso Monyane? Lebito is another injury prone. There are many injury prones in that position, but we went for the best injury prone, the best player in the position. Besingaya for uShando. Na uShando injury prone, singakubalekile nje lokho. Na uShando ujwayele ukulimala. Understanding ngempela bola abadlali esibadedele namhlanje. Understanding ngempela. Wena wangitshela ama comments uzizwa kanjani ngalokho release wabajida la, but mina for me I'm not happy. Orlando Pirates ithathele isinqumo lethu ukuthi idedele uThabiso Monyane benopaseka Marco. Siyaphi manje? Ubani soba sign? Soba replace ngoba. Soba replace abadlali abasuka le ko Baroka. Soba replace ngabadlali abasuka le ko Richards Bay. But ke angikwazi ukukhuluma njalo nawo Paseka Marco kodwa sometimes kuyicheaper yabo. But come on guys, next season asifuna ama mistakes, asifuna ukutotibisa abadlali, sifuna ukuyofight for a league. We cannot fight for a league nabadlali abangenayo leyo nto leyo yabo. Abadlali abangenayo leyo it factor. We don't need ama players angenayo it factor yabo. It was reasonable ukuthi abajida sibanikeze mhlambe 1 year on their contracts bakwazi ukuqhubeka for next season, mhlambe sikwazi ukuthi silwa ngabo nabo bakhona next season, because they've been playing for Orlando Pirates for the longest time yabo. They've been there for Orlando Pirates. They've seen coach abaningi behamba befika yabo. Badlali bawu2 sebehlalile maybe 5 years ku Orlando Pirates. Bawu2 they know what's at stake, but we are letting go of abadlali abakanje. We are bringing in abadlali abangi basisize ngalutho. Maybe I would understand if we went for Fawaz Pasadine. That player has won something in his career, and he has played even kwi CAF Confederations. Maybe it makes sense. Maybe Zamuglanda of Fawaz Pasadine, but bafethu angikho happy. I don't wanna lie, but wangitshela ama comments bafethu.